Okay, so in the last video we have seen how to create a website in Figma, and today we will create the same website in WordPress using Divi. Okay, so first you need to log into the WordPress. I am logging in with my admin and password, and this is how the interface of WordPress looks like, and there are some updates in this, so I will update it. Make sure to update everything before starting your website in WordPress. It will take few minutes to update. Now first we need to set up the menu of our website, which is the first thing, and we'll go to the menus, and you can go in a menu from there also, and you can go from customize also. Okay, till it's loading we'll get back to our Figma file so that we can see what we actually have created in the previous and what we are creating in WordPress. So this is what we have created in Figma, and we are creating the same file in WordPress. Okay, so we'll go to menus. Now we will create a new menu, primary menu, and we'll give a name to it. Let's say I give header, and I will add items, whatever I have added in my Figma file. See, I have get all the menus here, as you can see, and now I go to header and navigation, header elements, and I off the search icon from here. Now see, icon is not there. Now I'll give a static page to it now. Now in general setting we'll set the typography, whatever font family we want, whatever link color we want, whatever body text we want, we'll set everything to default so that we don't need to change again and again in our WordPress. I am using my Figma file. I am taking color from that, and now I have set this color as in default, and my heading color should be black, and I publish it. Now I refresh it to check whether everything is updated in my file or not. And again I am going to the general settings, and everything is fine here. Now I go to header and navigation. I'll go to header elements. I go to primary menu bar and I'll change the link color of here as well. You can see home is now looking as our theme color, is displaying in our theme color, and I will also change the text color black. You can see the services about and color is also changed now. Now I'll publish it. Now I go to the theme option. Here I am using my logo which I have used in my Figma file. You have to go in a theme option and choose an image in your logo, and you just need to update that logo there. Now I will set this image as a logo. Now I click on the save. Now I will update my logo here, and I'll check whether logo is updated or not. You can see my logo is updated, and now I have to increase the size of this logo a bit. Now I go to customization. Everything is in the customization option. You can check everything from there. You have option of primary menu, secondary menu, header format, everything. First I'm changing the color of secondary menu. Now I will go to the header format. There is nothing in it. I'll go to primary menu bar and I'll increase the max height of my logo. Now it's done. Now it's time to I will delete the sample page because I will not need it this page in my website. Now I go to home and customize my page using Divi. Now I will start building my website in Divi Builder. I will choose build from scratch. I will not use any template or any layout in this. Now I take a new row and I place image inside the row. See, go to the background, third option. Here you need to add your image. You need to upload your image here, and now you can start. It will take some time for the image to get updated, and once it will reflect here, we just need to click on update, upload an image, and since it's not showing here, I'll do the same thing again, and now see the image is visible now, and I'll select the image now. Now it's done. We will look once at our Figma file. You can copy paste content whatever you have used here in your WordPress file as well. Now I'll take a row and I'll add a text. Now I will Control A and space. Now you can see my text is visible, but we need to change the color, alignment, everything. For that you need to go to the design menu, go to the text. Now change the font family. See, nothing will, it's not working, that's why I am doing this again. I'll save it first. Now I go to the pages. I have not decided my font family, so I am choosing my font family and are updating into the typograph. You can see there is a theme default font family, but I'll choose font family. Accordingly, I'll go to my Figma and I'll check the font family, and I use the same font in WordPress. Okay. Now I got my font family. Now I will update the same font family in WordPress as well. Now I got my font family. Now I'll publish it. And now I don't need to change the font family for the everything. I just updated my font family here. Now font will be visible as I wanted. The same font family will continue throughout your website. Now again I put in background image. Now I'm taking a new row and I have to add text in it. Just type text. Now just go to this and paste your text here. And I make it center line. Go to the design. We need to change everything in text. Okay. I have to increase the text size accordingly. You can also adjust the line height. And now I will just make it more down. See, now it's perfect. Now I will add an gradient over the image so that our text will be more readable. Okay, see how I am doing it. Place gradient above the image, and now you need to change the color of it. You can decrease opacity. Let's say now it's fine, it's more visible. And give some drop shadow so it will look more prominent. And here is a button. We will add button also. We are inserting a new module button. See, button is there. Click on go to the design, click on use custom button style, and now we are good to go. There is no global color added, and I will add a global color. I will check the color in Figma once, then I'll update the same color here. Now I am using custom style for a button. Use custom style button, and I'll background color white, and I don't want any width. I'm making it 0. And now I'll go to alignment and center align the button. Now everything looks fine. Now I'll change the content of the button. Now I go to the content and I'll change the text, which is no more. And I go to button and I'll choose bit of radius and semi bold. Yeah, this looks fine. Now I'll change the button icon color to the purple, which is our global color. Now I'll save it. Now if we go to the website, now we'll click on this and we'll go to website. Now you can see the button here, icon on over. I feel like font size are bit small of my header, so I'm increasing it bit more, making it 16. Yes. Now I will publish it. Now this looks fine, huh? Now we'll check the website, how it's looking now. Now you can see the font size is also increased and the button is also perfect. And now we'll add the more section to our website. We'll go to the Figma and we'll see the second section is this one, and we'll create the same, but sometime Figma is a bit different and WordPress is a bit different, and sometimes we need to also add a custom thing, but we are not adding any custom thing. We are using the DV, and everything that is in DV we are using that. I am taking a 2-row column, and in this I will place the the, 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 text. No, we will not use this. Use recording settings and see there are only 2 recording and we have added 4. We'll just duplicate them. We'll add one more and right click, one more and then right click. Okay, and the either is complete. Now for this size we are using the image. We'll use the image and we'll place our image here. We'll upload our image in WordPress and check it out. And this was the image we are going, and we'll just update this image. It will take few seconds to get updated. If it's not working, so you can do this like, and just now see the images here, and now we need to change the content. Okay, and these are our 4 recordings, and we'll change the toggle button color and border color as well. We'll go to global and see. Now it's fine. Now it's matching with our theme. Now we need to change this. We'll go to the Figma and copy the content from there. Like, see what is written here. Okay, so now it's not, there is some issue with Figma. Okay, we'll go to the because the layer was locked, that's why I can't do it. Always make sure to check whether it's locked or not. Now I change the title text color to the global color and increase the font size bit now that's fine. 27 pixels is okay. Now and go to the design and icon color. Now you can see the change in our icon colors. Now we'll go to the second option. I will go to the Figma, copy the content, and we'll go again back to the WordPress and we'll paste it here. Go to the designs, text, title text color, and the font size. It's 27 pixels. Now it's fine. Now again go to the Figma, copy the content, and the same process goes on. Now we'll change the content of third one. Again we'll go to the Figma, copy the text, and just paste it on WordPress. And I'll save it now. And I'll change the develop and manage media. And now sometimes it happens with WordPress. Now everything is visible. Now I'll click on the develop. Title text color global, and I'll increase the title text size, which is 27. Okay, 27. Now see, all done, all good. Now I'll save it. Now this section is complete, and we will move forward to the another section, and we need to save it first now. Now see, exit visual builder. We don't need to change the close title text color or anything else. I don't think so. We need to change this. I'm just checking what else we can do with this, but I don't think so. Is anything left to do with? So yeah, okay, it's fine. It's good to go. And oh shit. You paste it again. Now it's fine. Now I'll save it. Now we'll make another section. We'll go to Figma and now check out which section is this. This one. See. We'll copy the background color as well. We need to unlock the frame because frame is locked. You can see. That's why we are unable to click on it. But I have saved the local style. And I go to it. Now I copy the color code from here, and now I will paste it WordPress. Now I go to the background color and I will paste the background color. Now see, we have changed the background color. You can see the difference between this one and another section, and we'll take a new row and change the color of this to our global color, which we are using in our file, and I'll make round corners. Now this one is fine. Copy the content from Figma. Now we'll add the text color and make it bold. I'll change the text color, I'll change the text size, and yeah, that's fine. And I'll add one more. See, again I go to Figma, copy the design, and I'll decrease the font size and make it semi-bold or regular, whatever I feel. Now this is fine, this is fine, I think. Yes. And now, yeah, great. Now I'll add a button over here, and again the same, use custom style for button. Button background color and थोड़ा सा round corners. Now we'll change the alignment of the button. We'll make it center align and just save it. I think I should make the corners a bit more rounder, making it 5. Now this is fine. Save it. Equal spacing. Now it's equal. Now this section is also done. Now we'll go to Figma and check the next section, which is this one. We'll copy the background color, again regular section. Four sections. Now we take up this one, and now I save it. These are 3 and I have taken 4. I will change everything accordingly. I don't need it. I have to change the title text color. I am changing the text color. Now I'll save the changes. Now I go to this section, and now I go to the design image and icon. Now I can use the image and icon. Use icon. Click on this. Now you can find the icons. Now share across all the devices. Now I'm choosing the icon. Device. You can search it or manually, or you can type it. I think this one is okay. Now I'll see if I get anything better than this icon. I think this looks fine. I don't have any option where we can go through. Okay, fine. We are good to go with this. I'm not getting any another related icon. You can also insert icon if you want to upload. There is an option to upload icon if you don't want to use these icons. So yeah, I'll copy the background color and I paste color in this. Now you can see the color. Make the background color. We'll make it white. Now see. Now we'll go to the spacing and we'll give top margin, not margin, we'll give a top padding. Now you can see the space between this. Now I will change a bit more and make it around 20. Now this looks fine and then copy the same for the bottom. Now it's okay. Now it's looking nice and I will add some shadows and I will make it a bit minimal. I think this is fine. And I make corners a bit rounder so it will look nice. And then I will also change the background color of the shadow. Make it very lighter. Now I'll save it. Now I'll copy the same and I'll put it here, then I'll copy the same, then I'll put it here. I copy the same, I put it there. See? Now this is a basic of WordPress. How you can make the design, you can change the content after that. This is our sections that we have made in WordPress and